In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the search bar above messages in Outlook bug. If your Outlook search bar is appearing in the wrong place, not working as expected, or causing confusion above your message list, one of the simplest fixes is to make sure Outlook and Office are fully updated. In many cases, display and layout issues like this are caused by temporary bugs that Microsoft has already patched in a newer version. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to check for updates and apply them properly. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and wait for it to fully load. It's a good idea to let the app settle for a moment before making changes, especially if Outlook is still syncing emails or loading your inbox. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This will open the main account and application settings area. From here, look down the left side menu and click Office Account. In some versions, this area may also show product information, update settings, and activation details, so don't worry if the layout looks slightly different from what you expected. After that, find the Update Options button. Click it to open the drop-down menu. This section controls how Microsoft Office apps, including Outlook, receive updates. From the menu, click Update Now. At this point, Outlook and the rest of your Office apps will start checking for the latest available updates. Now just wait while the update process completes. Depending on your internet speed and whether updates are available, this may take a few moments. During this time, you may see progress messages, and Outlook might briefly pause or become less responsive. That's normal, so just let the process finish without interrupting it. Once the update is done, go back and try Outlook again to see if the issue with the search bar has been fixed. Check whether the search bar is now displaying correctly and working the way it should above your messages. If the problem was caused by an outdated version of Outlook, this update should resolve it. Keeping Office updated is also a good habit in general, because updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility patches. That's it for this process. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to fix the search bar above messages bug in Outlook quickly and easily.